Hootsuite's content library is your go-to for pre-approved templates, images, and videos, avoiding anything that might make your audience collectively cringe by keeping your posts on brand. To search through all your team's assets, head to the content library. You'll have access to all libraries assigned to the teams you're on. Pick the one you want, then choose from media or templates. Media hosts your images and video, while templates host text and pre-filled posts. Check out any details and filter by tag to find campaign-specific content. Once you've found the asset you want, hit Create Post. Check the social account and adjust the copy and post details. You can also add additional assets to your post from the media library. Now for team admins, let's chat about creating new libraries and managing existing ones. Creating a new library is simple. Just follow the prompts. Each new library needs to be assigned to specific teams to reduce clutter for other teams that don't need it. Teams can be added, edited, or removed at any time. Admins can also add new templates to their content library. Build it out like a normal social post with a destination, caption, and media. These details can always be edited later. Then categorize by tag so your team can easily find it. Add notes for context, and set post availability. Expiry dates are useful for putting a hard stop on campaign content once the campaign is finished. Individual assets can be given details and notes in the same way. Keep an eye on how often templates are used. If you notice one rarely gets any love, try editing it to be more engaging and useful. When it's no longer needed, delete it.